Wow, look at this guy. He has no talent. So I laid down the gumball trap, and then I never saw the tortoise again. Come on, we're gonna be late for a meeting.
And you wouldn't believe where we found her next. In the dryer.
Oh, your poor grandmother. Oh, look, he's here again. Now he's doing magic. Basic knowledge of taxidermy, you can get more than 3 ounces of liquid on any domestic flight. Did you also know that my dog is allergic to peanut butter? Because most dogs aren't. They usually lick it in a weird way and get it stuck on their lips. Do dogs even have lips? I don't know. And monarch butterflies are also poisonous. And after 3 days of trying to fix my window, I finally found the solution. Pancakes. Pancakes. That reminds me of my breakfast this morning. And that's the long story on how I saved Christmas with a potato gun. And no matter... Hey! Are you even listening?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. No matter how many whales you stack. Did you know that Cleveland spelled backwards is DNA level C? Oh look, somebody finally took that tiger back to the zoo.